At Miami Designer Smiles, one of the things that we offer is a procedure called Teeth in a Day. That procedure allows a patient who has a very debilitated dentition and they unfortunately are going to lose the natural teeth all on the top or all on the bottom. This procedure is known for being done in one day. Some patients say, but how is that possible that I can have my teeth in a day? And I say, well, if you have one dental implant, typically we don't recommend placing a crown on the same day because there isn't enough stability. But if you place 4 or 6 dental implants in the same arch, meaning 6 on the top or 6 on the bottom, then that allows for that prosthetic that is pre-made for the patient to act like a splint. So think of it like if you broke your arm and the doctor would cast your arm and would not let you move the arm. The prosthesis actually acts like a cast and doesn't allow you to move those dental implants that are placed that same day. This procedure is very successful and helps patients who really have no other option. I like to offer that procedure when a patient is between that and a full denture because implants will make them feel more fully functional and have less plastic in their mouth.